Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense right here on the English Makes No Sense YouTube channel. My name is SL Rockfish and today we're going to increase our vocabulary. Increase our vocabulary? No way. Yeah, way. We are. I promise. Today's word, I'm going to spell it. I'm going to give you two different pronunciations and then you're going to learn what it means and how to use it in a sentence. Are you ready? Come on. Today's word is LABYRINTH. That's a big word. The word is pronounced two different ways. Now, you know, I don't have great editing skills, so let me use my whiteboard. Here we go. If you're an American, we pronounce it labyrinth. Labyrinth. If you're a Brit, they pronounce it labyrinth. Labyrinth. Let's do that again. Labyrinth, American style. Labyrinth, British. Labyrinth. American, labyrinth. You choose which one you want to do. Labyrinth, labyrinth. They're so similar, but yet so just a little different. Now you know how to pronounce it. What does it mean? Well, labyrinth is a complicated network of passages. Oh, or a maze. A maze, I love mazes. Yeah, I love labyrinths too. Oh, got it. Why does English have such a big word for such a small meaning like a maze? Couldn't they just say, hey, it's a maze and not a labyrinth? Why do we do that? I don't know, but now you can read and pronounce and understand this sentence, and I'm going to do it American style. We went through a labyrinth to get to the secret lab. What? Come on, English. Let me do it. American once more, and then maybe a British. Let's see. We went through a labyrinth to get to the secret lab. Now, British style. We went through the labyrinth to get to the secret lab. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with labyrinth? Leave it in the comments. And if you want to know some more about a word, leave that in the comments too. Have a great day, friends. Peace.